Hello everyone. Now we are not going to do any thinking, we are just going to paint straight on and keep our minds blank. We'll just do a path going up to a cottage and that's in your mind, so it's simple, and that's all we do. You can put whatever you want in yourselves, but that's the main thing. Now I am going to do it a little bit stronger than usual because my camera is not producing colours as bright as I like. Okay, we'll start with a little bit of light. Now let's see. Yeah, I'll just put oh, that's light, isn't it? And we'll just have a path going from here to there, and it's narrow there, and that's our path to there, like that. Now that's light, very light, isn't it? But we'll make up for that by putting some dark pieces in. Now that's our foreground. Now we'll put our sky. We'll put the sky in now with some either ultramarine you can pick, or cobalt blue, whichever takes your fancy. And it's on a dirty palette here. I've not washed it. It's on a dirty, oh my, that is a dirty palette. Let's put some brown in that. This is a bit of brown in it, see. And that's what I'm going to leave it. That's it. Next, they did say that Mr. Wesson had his board straighter up so that when it run down it run off the paper. Okay, so now we're on to a light red. And here, oh yeah, we'll have it like that. Oh, we'll give it a good slant. That's better. Now that's like alright, isn't it? Oh, I'll tell you what, I'll put the blue in the sky now. I'll put some ultramarine to that dirty sky colour. Yeah, ultramarine. There you are, see that ultramarine? And then I think we'll just bang a back cloud in like that. If you wanted to put some light in, you'd put a stroke of light colour there. So let's get some lemon into some and just put a stroke here, and that'll be our light colour in that patch there. Okay, so now I'll throw a bit of a hedgerow across this bit, and then some trees there. So that's what it's going to be now. So we want a little. We can have a patch darker in this part here, can't we? So we'll throw a patch of green a bit darker, a bit of lemon and a bit of that blue there, and a bit of lemon. Nothing special, and just let's see about. That's it. Don't be too careful. That'll do. Now we'll just put some bit of dirty brown there, some a bit of brown, only dirty colour. What about here? And there. Oh, that's fine. I'm going to put a bit of bite in the colours because of that camera I've told you about. This camera, it's throwing a light. Just push it on like that. Right. If you want for a little bit at the other side there, you can like that. So that's how you've got that. Now you just put some bits of window in any old way. See that? You go like this, see. Right? And then just put that there. Get a bit of burnt umber. Put a bit of blue in it because it might be a bit red. And just put a little bit of dark round here where you're going to put some of your doings, your dark trees. So to start off, I'm going to get some dark now. Dark brown, look at that dark brown there, see? And then I'm going to get some ultramarine. Oh, look how dark that is. And then I'm going to put some of that yellow, cad yellow into it. And there we are, lovely. Now that's lovely and dark. That'll show well. So let's just not be too fussy about this. Right. Now let's just have a look how it's looking like that. I hope it'll be dark enough that. It's finished and I've not been doing right, have I? Oh. A bit where that might not show enough with the red. I'll put a bit more on. Right, that's it. That's it. What do we call it? Back to basics. I hope you like that one. Don't forget, if you want to learn how to do this and do this kind of stuff, come on to Patreon. Man, it's not what everybody likes. Can easily put a couple of people in there if you wanted. Just put a couple of people in here. Watch where the reds go to there and then the feet to there. But if they're down here, make sure the head comes a bit higher and they're a bit taller than they are up there. Okay. God bless and take care of you all until I see you next time with a bit of luck. Keep going.